I really wish I would gotten riding earlier too though. Like I just thought this my first bike. That 4 feet I got, that's my first bike. What's good, you guys? How you guys doing today? Hope your day is going great, and if not watching this video will make things 10 times better, baby. We are back at it again with another video, and today, as you guys can see, we actually have the DBX1 pick bike, man. This is the bike we did a giveaway on. We have made our way out here to Louisiana to give away this bike. What up, bro?
What's up, baby?
What's up, man?
What's up, Saint?
What's your name, man?
Dale Marcus.
Dale Marcus. We gonna call you
Dale.
Dale for sure. Dale. All right,
Yeah.
bet. Bro, here it is. This is your bike.
Nice, nice.
Heck yeah, man. I'm like beyond excited that I'm able to do something like this.
Yeah.
And it's crazy that you won because you were not too far from my hometown.
Yeah, that is crazy.
But yeah, here it is, man.
Hey, man, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
For sure. All right, guys. He say he has a KX 450. You doing your thing on it or what?
No, not too much yet. Not too much yet.
I want to see some action on this thing.
All right.
Tell the people how many tickets you bought for this bike, man.
7 tickets, bro. That side brought 7 tickets, bro.
7 tickets, and you won this. That's roughly like, let's see, $15 a ticket, $105. So you spent $100 basically to win this bike.
Right around now.
And your hat matched the bike, bro.
Thank you.
That's pretty fun, man. You guys, we had Adrian tag along with us for this ride. You rode it yesterday for the first time. How'd it feel?
Smooth.
Smooth. So you got a smooth bike. You pumped or what? You
Yeah,
pumped or what?
I am.
Yeah, we got a little bit of gas in there, so you should be straight. They won't mind if you ride around here, we.
Nope.
Ain't nobody say nothing. And it's got a key too. So right in here,
Alright.
just flip it forward and it's on. And the switch. It's a lot. Yeah, almost. Hell yeah. She fresh, baby. Oh yeah, all the gears are all up. Yeah, 4 up. That boy gone. He didn't even let it warm up. He was ready to get going on it. But it's probably nothing compared to that 450.
Yeah, that 450 got some power.
Hell yeah, man.
Nice little Twingo.
Yeah, something to play with. I know you probably got like some little cousins or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna teach my little brother how to ride. He
Yeah.
just turned what? About 16. He won't know how to ride. I'm teaching him how to ride.
Let me get one last ride on this joke.
You got it.
Hey, I can ride your bike real quick?
Oh yeah, come on.
You sure?
Yeah, you can, man. Come on.
Dale literally bought 7 tickets for $100 and got this bike. That's so clutch, man. And I want to be able to do that for, you know, so many more of you guys later down the line when we have more giveaways. I like doing stuff like this. I've actually done a few of the giveaways, and meeting you guys in person is honestly the best feeling ever. This excites me. I drove 2 hours to do this, man. Well, really, I drove 8 hours because I had to come from Atlanta to Mississippi to to Louisiana. I want to see you do some wheelies, my guy.
I ain't gonna be able to do it.
I know, it's kind of tough for me to do it. Damn.
But on that ball, your bike, you can do them good, huh?
Yeah, you gonna break it out?
Go ahead and show me something.
We're gonna have to break out the 150. We get campus security over here.
I forgot this campus. Ooh.
But you know what? We just gonna send it anyways, make the video better. We're gonna let you ride this one too though.
I ride it.
What you say you knew his sister? It's been so fun.
That's crazy how much control we got over that bike though. I really wish I would have gone to riding earlier too though. Like I just thought this my first bike. That 4 feet I got, that's my first bike.
Damn, so
First anything.
Taliban bands run them straight through the machinery.
I'll see y'all later.
Two white gold, keep the lace gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hose insane. Like I'm every jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 Prada bags and a ball made frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's 6, cause you know YV gotta get that.